Hey there, fun guys! Imagine a mushroom that not only looks like a lion's mane, but also boosts your brain power. Discover the incredible benefits of this fascinating fungi. This remarkable fungus isn't just a visual spectacle. It's also being studied for its potential to support nerve growth and repair. Lion's mane is known for its potential to enhance cognitive function and memory. It's like a natural brain booster. Not only is it good for your brain, but it's also a tasty addition to your meals. Try it in soups, stir-fries, or even as a meat substitute. Give lion's mane a try and experience its amazing benefits. Hit that like button and follow for more amazing health tips.